Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're ready. Confirm which Apple Pencil you have and that your iPad supports it. First, charge the pencil. Remove the cap and plug into the iPad's Lightning port for Apple Pencil 1, or snap the second generation onto the iPad's right edge so it magnetically charges. Next, make sure Bluetooth on the iPad is turned on and keep the screen awake. This helps the device detect the pencil. Once done, proceed to the on-screen pairing prompt to complete initial connection. You should see a pairing dialog within seconds. Tap Connect to pair the pencil to your iPad. For Apple Pencil 2, configure the double tap action in settings so it switches tools the way you want, for either pencil, check notes, or your drawing app to confirm pressure and tilt responses. Make small test strokes, try tilt shading, and adjust sensitivity in app settings if available. Once you confirm smooth input and shortcuts work, you're ready to use the pencil for writing or drawing. Finalize setup by keeping the pencil charged and paired, store the second generation magnetically on the iPad's edge, and keep the first gen capped and charged. If the pencil doesn't connect, restart the iPad, toggle Bluetooth off and on, then try pairing again. You can also forget the device in Bluetooth settings and retry. If problems persist, make sure your iPad OS is up to date, check for debris in ports, and contact Apple support as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.